Alright, so I was struggling with this webcam for a while. It's actually my camcorder, and I just now got it to sync up to my computer properly, so I'm gonna show you what kind of trials I actually went through. USB cable in the computer, USB cable in the camcorder. That used to be fine. Speed of light is so slow. An anticipated 27 minutes. You gotta be shitting me. Oh look, Phil's got a new video. I'm going to watch it.
I swear, they'll get you punch one midget in the face and all of a sudden you're insensitive.
The thing finished downloading while I was gone. I installed it. Now I'm gonna give it a shot, see if it works. It's gonna work. Bullshit! It is fucking installed! I just spent the last half fucking hour downloading it so I could install it, and I just got done installing the shit. Its crap is right there on my desktop. It is installed! Fuck you! Show it to me! Please! Please! Oh. Hey! I did it!